I'm Carissa Byrne Hebert, the owner of CBH Interiors, and Bluevine makes me feel empowered. CBH Interiors is a full-service interior design firm. We specialize in renovations and new construction. My favorite thing about being a designer is seeing the project transform, being the power of being able to transform a space and see the client so happy and thankful at the end. My team is growing. I've been able to bring on a lot more team members this past year, and that's really exciting to me because my project load has grown. Bluevine knows what I need as a small business owner. One of the biggest challenges I face is consistent cash flow. The Bluevine features I find most valuable are the ability to have sub-accounts, so I can actually place money in different accounts and use those accounts to pay bills, to pay payroll, to pay myself. Bluevine makes my small business possible. As the largest small business banking platform in the US, Bluevine has helped over 750,000 business owners like me turn ambitions into reality. From checking and lending to invoicing and bill pay, I use Bluevine to manage my business finances with ease, so I can focus on helping clients design a home they love. Learn more at bluevine.com.